So let's see the question number 3 of the exercise 14.1. In this it is given the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of a locality. The mean allowance is rupees 18. Here mean is already given. We are not going to find out the mean. Then question is asking find the missing frequency f. This frequency is missing. इसी की वैल्यू हमको फाइंड करनी है इसमें. ठीक है. So let's start with the given information. These are the given information. Daily pocket allowances in rupees 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23 and 23 to 25. These are the daily pocket allowances that children are getting. Their frequencies are also given. 11 to 13 rupees, 7 students are given, 7 children are getting. Similarly 6, 9, 13 and here this is the missing. This we are going to find out the value of f, 5 and 4. So let's find the value of xi. As you know that the formula of xi is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So upper is 13, lower is 11 divided by 2. 13 plus 11 is 24 divided by 2 is 12. It is 14. This is 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. These are the values of xi. Now we have to take the value of a. Here in this type of question, in the missing frequency, you just keep it in mind. Always you have to take the value of a, that front value of class marks of the missing frequency. This is missing frequency. This you are going to find out. इसी के सामने की वैल्यू को आप ऐसा सपोज कर लेंगे. So your calculation will be too much easy. आप easily अपने इस questions को solve कर सकते हो. So 22 here we are going to take the value of assume, right? Now find the value of di. Di is equals to xi minus a, means इसी xi के कॉलम से 22 को हमें माइनस करना है. So 12 minus 22 is minus 10. 14 minus 22 is minus 8. 16 minus 2 is minus 6. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. 20 minus 22 is minus 2. It is 0. यार So 20 we have taken the value of a. Now subtract. Find the value of di. Di is equals to xi minus a, means 12 minus 20 which is equals to minus 8. 14 minus 20 is minus 6. 16 minus 20 is minus 4. 18 minus 20 is minus 2. 20 minus 20 is 0. 22 minus 20 is 2. 24 minus 20 is 4. Right? As we got the value of di is equals to xi minus a. अभी हम ui की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं एंड ui is equals to di upon h. इस वैल्यूज को हमें डिवाइड करना है एंड h is 2 we have to take. h is the size of the class which is 2. डिफरेंस इसका देखेंगे तो 2 होगा एंड this number di column is divisible by 2. So divide it. Minus 4 is divided by 2 is minus 8 is divided by 2 is minus 4. Minus 6 is divided by 2 is minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2 we got it. Right friends? चलो अभी मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं एफ आई एंड यू आई कॉलम। सो 7 4 ज़ा 28, 6 3 ज़ा 18, 9 2 ज़ा 18, 13 1 ज़ा 13, 0, 5 1 ज़ा 5 and 4 2 ज़ा 8. Let's find the sum of this fi, sigma fi, which is 7 plus 6 13, 13 9 22, plus 3 25, plus 10 35, 35 plus 5 is 40, plus 4 is 44, and plus missing frequency f. Similarly, we have to find out the sum of this column. फाइंड करते हैं इसका सम। 5 and 8 is 13, which is cancel. 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 3 4 5 and 6. Minus 64 is the sigma FIUI. So let us write down all the values. H is 2, A is 20, sigma FIUI, sigma FI is equals to 44 plus F, and sigma FI UI is equals to minus 64. Right friends? Now let us apply these values in our formula by step deviation method. X bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi multiplied by H. Value substitute करते हैं। X bar is already given here in this question. Mean x bar is equals to 18. So substitute, it is 18 equals to A is, value of A is 20, okay friends. So let's substitute the values. X bar, which is mean, was given 18 rupees. So 18, A is 20 plus sigma FIUI is minus 64, divided by sigma Fi, which is 44 plus F multiplied by H, H is 2. Solve करते हैं। This 20 you have to bring with the 18. So 18 minus 20 equals to minus 4 2s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. 128 divided by 44 plus F. So this is minus 2 equals to minus 128 divided by 44 plus F. Minus is cancel. So it can be written as 44 plus F is equals to 128 divided by 2. That is equals to 64. So F is equals to 64 minus 44. So F is equals to 0 and 2. That 20 is our missing frequency. We got it easily. So friends, as this question is very important for you, not even in the home examination, only for that board examination also. This type of question of missing frequency is always coming there in the board exam. So इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से क्लियर करके कहाँ पे कौन सा स्टेप हमें अडॉप्ट करना है, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आप सॉल्व करेंगे। एक बार फिर से मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. As these were the data given, these were the information was given, xi हमने सिंपली फाइंड किया. अभी एज्यूम करने की बात आती है. सो वी आर एज्यूमिंग दैट वही xi की वैल्यू आप एज्यूम करोगे जहां पे मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रहेगी. इसको एज्यूम करने से आपको, आप तो एज्यूम कोई भी नंबर कर सकते हो, लेकिन ये वैल्यू एज्यूम करने से बस आपको एक एडवांटेज मिलेगा कि आपका कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाएगा. कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा लॉन्ग नहीं होगा. एज्यूम तो आप कोई भी कर सकते हो, आंसर आपका तब भी आएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर ध्यान देते हैं आप, f के सामने की वैल्यू को आप एज्यूम करते हैं तो आपका कैलकुलेशन सबसे इजी हो जाएगा और विद इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम यू कैन सॉल्व इट इजीली. आफ्टर गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ डी आई, यू आई फाइंड किया, एफ आई यू आई फाइंड किया, इसका सम फाइंड किया and substituted the value of these information there in the formula of x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi multiplied by h. Solve किया and we got the missing frequency f is equals to 20. Means at the place of this f there should be 20. Right friends? Okay friends, so let's see the question number 4. In this it is given that 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and number of heartbeats per minute were recorded. Means they have examined, their number of heartbeats were recorded by a doctor in a hospital and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for those women by choosing suitable method. So these were the data recorded after examining the woman. First is given number of heartbeat per minute and second number of women. There were total 30 women. So let's see, is it sum of this column number of women fi. 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 7 is 24 plus 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. So total number of women means sigma fi is equals to 30. Afterwards find the value of xi, which is the midpoint of this is. Xi is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So this will be equals to 68 plus 65, 68 plus 65 upon 2. 68 plus 65 upon 2, which is equals to 8, 5, 13, 12, 1, 13 upon 2, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 6 are 12.5. 66.5. Second, for the xi, 68 plus 71, 71 plus 68 upon 2. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 7 is 13 upon 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18.5, 69.5. It is 69.5. For the next, sum of these two, 145 upon 2, 145 upon 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 72.5, 72.5. Next, sum of these two number, 74 plus 77 upon 2 means 7 4 11, 151 upon 2, 151 upon 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10.5, 75.5. So this came 75.5. 145 77 plus 80, 157. 157 upon 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16.5, 78.5, 8.5. Afterwards, the next midpoint of these 80 plus 83, 163, 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 81.5. Then this is 169, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8.5. So these were the class marks or midpoint of the class interval. Now let us take any of the assuming number, say this is a, and find the value of di, which is xi minus a. Means this minus this will be in negative, minus 0, 5 minus 6 is 9, 15 minus 6 is 9, 6 minus 6 is 0, means minus 9 it is coming, minus 9. Okay, then xi minus this, minus 0, 15 minus 9 is 6. Again from this will be minus 0 and 3. This will be 0. This is 3. This is 6. And this is 9. Right, friends? So let's find it. Afterward, take the value of h. H you have to take 3 because all these numbers are divisible by 3. So we have taken h is equals to 3. Divide these number di column by 3. So minus 3, minus 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now find the value of fi into ui. Multiply it. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 8 zeros are 0, 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So when we find the sum of these two numbers, this 6 minus 6 is cancelled by plus 6, minus 8 is cancelled by minus 8, means 7 minus 3 is equals to 4, the sum of this number. Right, friends? So now write down all the information. H is equals to 3 you have taken, A is equals to 75.5, then sigma fi is equals to 30 and sigma fi ui, sigma fi into ui is equals to 4. Now write down the formula of x bar by step deviation method. A plus summation fi ui upon sigma fi multiplied by h. So x bar is equals to A is 75.5 plus sigma fi ui is 4 upon sigma fi is 30 multiplied by 3. So this 3 10s are 30. Therefore x bar is equals to 75.5 plus 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. Adding this we will get 75.9 is our required answer, and this is the heartbeat per minute of these women. So 75.9 is the heartbeat, average heartbeat per minute of women's. Right, friends?